Let's have a look at the new tab navigation for students and instructors in Assessment View. At the moment we're in Instructor View, so if we have a look at this summary paper here, you can see on the right hand side there are assignment settings. On the left hand side is the actual assignment content. Under the assignment settings, there is obviously due date, how the grade is being categorized, grading, the grading rubric and access to the rubric itself, the number of attempts allowed, the goals and standards, the originality report, and also to if respondus is activated. Now, if a student has made a submission, then basically going up here to the submission tab, and this, remember, is in Instructor View, then this will allow me to go to a particular student and it will give me more information now about that particular student's assessment, as well as ways of giving feedback to the student too. So you'll see on the right hand side, and the student will see this as well, about things like the Safe Assign originality report, so they'll get information about that, but they also at the top here have a couple of extra buttons and options. So the first one here will give them the rubric details, and also similarly for the instructor, so that they can actually see what the rubric is for this particular assessment. And it allows the instructor in this case to actually mark the assessment to input into the rubric. The other option just here is to allow the instructor to give feedback directly to the student. So obviously the student will be able to see the feedback, but they won't be able to add feedback to this. So all the instructor would need to do is to actually just type some feedback into this box here and then save it. There are more options as well. So this is where you can go into exceptions and also edit feedback or delete it as well if you need to. So this is for the instructors. Instructors can also access this information through the Gradebook. So they would just go to the top of the screen to the usual Gradebook tab, and in there they would be able to go to particular gradable items or to students and go through and get the same information. As you can see there.